Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for an amazing set of multi-purpose earbuds, you have to check out these ISOtunes Sport earbuds. Now, these are the Caliber BT earbuds, and they are a top-notch quality and offer premium options. Not only do they stream music like you would want earbuds to do seamlessly through Bluetooth, but they're also hearing protection and hearing enhancement earbuds. Now, why is that so amazing? Well, these are especially helpful for hunters. So you can utilize these while out in the woods or even at the shooting range. The hearing enhancement is amazing. So if you're up in the tree stand, it enhances the wonderful sound of wildlife around you. You can hear the squirrels squeaking, the wind blowing, and especially the rustling of the leaves when that wildlife starts getting closer. The hearing protection is a great feature too. It comes with a variety of size ear tips, so you can find the ones that fit you. These ear tips are made out of a polyurethane foam, which help to reduce that noise level by 25 decibels. These earbuds are equipped with tactical sound controls, which utilize the microphone to determine the type of sound that it's picking up. Those lower level sounds are enhanced and brought through the earbuds, and those loud sounds are blocked out and provide protection to your ears. Each earbud does have touch controls for both the Bluetooth audio and the environmental sounds that you can hear. You can even answer a call from these earbuds. These are a very comfortable earbud with a great battery life. These Caliber BT earbuds from ISOtunes have a premium sound quality. They offer amazing ear protection and really awesome hearing enhancement. In our opinion, they are a top tier earbud choice, but that's just our point of view.